Amaranthus plant. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the amazing plant Amaranthus. If you're looking for a resilient, beautiful, and nutritious plant for your garden or even your home pots, this video is just for you. So stay with me until the end. Introduction to Amaranthus. Amaranthus, scientifically known as Amaranthus tricolor L, is an annual plant from the Amaranthaceae family. It is native to the tropical regions of Asia and Africa. Due to its diverse, wavy, and colorful leaves, this plant is used both as a cut flower and as ground cover. Garden borders and lawns are ideal for planting this plant, as it looks particularly enchanting against the green backdrop of grass. The ease of cultivation has made it popular among flower and plant growers. The young leaves of the plant can be used as a vegetable in salads or cooked dishes. Appearance. Amaranthus is a plant with broad, oval-shaped leaves that come in various colors ranging from green to red and purple. The flowers of Amaranthus usually grow in clusters and are vibrant and attractive, adding a unique charm to your garden or pots. Care conditions. Light. Amaranthus requires a lot of light. Therefore, the best place for it is somewhere it can receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Watering. Amaranthus requires adequate water for optimal growth. Depending on the soil type, watering should be done in a way that keeps the root zone consistently moist. In the event of drought stress, the plant will not grow properly and will remain stunted. Avoid overhead watering or sprinkling water on the branches and leaves, as this can lead to the spread of fungal diseases and sunburn spots. The best watering methods for this plant are drip irrigation, seepage irrigation, and furrow irrigation. Temperature. Mature Amaranthus plants are somewhat resistant to low temperatures, but young plants may be damaged by cold weather. Temperatures above 35°C can cause sunburn or disrupt the plant's growth. The minimum soil temperature for germination is 10°C, with the optimal range being 15–18°C. The optimal growth temperature for the plant is between 20–30°C. Soil. Soils rich in organic and mineral nutrients are ideal for the optimal growth of Amaranthus. This plant also performs well in moderately fertile soils. To enhance the soil, it is recommended to add organic fertilizers, well-rotted manure, and necessary amounts of phosphorus and nitrogen chemical fertilizers before planting. The best results are achieved in rich soils with a pH of 5 to 6, good drainage, and sufficient moisture. When using manure, it's better to use well-rotted manure, because fresh manure often contains viable weed seeds that can easily spread. Feeding and fertilization. To support the better growth and development of Amaranthus, use balanced plant fertilizers to provide the necessary nutrients. Typically, reapply the fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks during the spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilization, as it can harm the roots and stems of the plant. Planting and propagation. You can propagate Amaranthus through seeds or cuttings. Sow the seeds in spring and ensure the soil temperature is suitable for germination. You can also root the cuttings in water or soil. Diseases and pests of Amaranthus. Common diseases in Amaranthus houseplants: black spot, rust, leaf drop, root rot, powdery mildew. Common pests in Amaranthus houseplants: leaf beetles, whiteflies, fungus gnats, various mites and caterpillars. Prevention methods for diseases and pests. Maintain cleanliness and hygiene of the plant. Use appropriate soil, fertilizers, and other biological materials. Regularly monitor the plant's health and identify early signs of diseases or pests. Utilize natural and non-chemical methods for pest control. Treatment methods for diseases and pests. Use appropriate medicinal solutions and tablets. Apply effective fungicides and insecticides. Recognize the right time to start treating for insects or diseases. Diseases and pests can threaten the healthy growth of Amaranthus houseplants. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and prevention and treatment methods, you can protect your Amaranthus from these threats. Additionally, maintaining plant hygiene, using natural methods, and regular monitoring can play a crucial role in preventing diseases and pests. Uses. Decorative due to the colorful leaves and flowers. Amaranthus is an excellent choice for decorating gardens and green spaces. Edible. The leaves and seeds of Amaranthus are edible and rich in nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. Medicinal. This plant also has medicinal properties and is used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. If you're looking for a plant that is both beautiful and beneficial, definitely try Amaranthus. This resilient and versatile plant can be an excellent addition to any garden or green space. If you found this video helpful, please like and share your thoughts with us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our next educational videos. Until the next video, goodbye.